Whoever fasts the month of Ramadan and thereafter follows it with 6 fasts during the month of Shawwal, which is this month that we have just entered into, they will receive a reward of having fasted the entire year. The scholars of hadith explain that the reason is all good deeds for Muslims are multiplied in reward by 10. When you fast for the month of Ramadan, it is multiplied a minimum by 10, which means you have a reward of having fasted 10 months. In order to complete the year, there would be 2 more months. For those 2 more months, we need to fast 6 more days. 6 by 10 equals 60. Approximately 2 months, subhanallah. So the 10 months plus the 2 months would give you the reward of having fasted the entire year. That is an amazing gift of Allah. I encourage myself and yourselves through this month of Shawwal, not necessarily consecutively, but if you were to fast another 6 more days, not only would it be good for your health in terms of having completed the fast of Ramadan and then slowing down into the feast rather than feasting all at once and affecting your health negatively, we'd fast for another 6 days, like I said, not necessarily consecutive. But more than the health benefit is actually the spiritual and religious benefit. May Allah make it easy for all of us.